Are you ready?
Hey, it's Cornfu. This is like the fourth take of this. I just am not in my groove today. Anyway, this week we're going to go digital. I'm going to do another monkey face. I want to do like 12 of them and call it 12 monkeys. Oh, super original, I know. But I'm having fun doing chimp faces. I don't know why, but they're kind of fun to draw. So anyway, I did a third one today. I made this one and this one, and they turned out pretty cool. So I'm going to make more. So we're going to go from sketch to final vector product. Let's go do this. We're back. That was cool. That was fun. I tried to use a punk rock soundtrack to go with this. I would love to use MXPX, but I don't have the rights to do that, even though it would have been super cool, because I may or may not have been listening to MXPX while I was drawing this. Anyway, it turned out really awesome. I want to make it into a sticker. I've been getting into some trouble with my wife because I just like periodically will pay for stickers. And it gets expensive after a while. So, yeah, this might be a sticker, but it might be later versus sooner. But thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Give me a like, leave a comment, give me suggestions on what you want to see me draw. If not, I'm just going to keep drawing monkey faces. See you next week. Maybe. I actually have this freelance gig that's really pretty massive. It's a little bit bigger than what I thought it would be. So I might disappear for a few weeks and give you all a much needed break. So we'll see you. These week.